Namaste, my name is Shagun. Welcome to the Akashvani program of StudyIQ. Here you will find some important pieces of news from where questions may appear in the examinations. Yoon Suk-yeol. Yoon Suk-yeol wins the presidential elections in South Korea. Prior to this, he has held the post of Prosecutor General from 2019 to 2021. The newly elected president won by only 1% votes. He is said to be extremely harsh about his policies. Whether the issue is of North Korea or the reason for the low birth rate in the country. He explains the reason behind this is increasing feminism. The government system of South Korea is a pluralistic, democratic and presidential system. The president is elected through voting for a 5-year term. Any person can become president for only one term. The president appoints the prime minister and he also has the power to remove the prime minister. Moving on to the next news. Colombo Security Conclave. Recently, a meeting of CSC, that is Colombo Security Conclave, was organized in the Maldives. This meeting was at the level of the National Security Advisor. CSC is a trilateral maritime security grouping formed in the year 2011. It includes India, Sri Lanka and the Maldives. This group works on 4 primary pillars such as security cooperation, human trafficking, counter-terrorism and cyber security. Mauritius has been included as a new member in the recent meeting. Seychelles and Bangladesh participated as observers. Reunion Island is the nearest neighbor of Mauritius. Reunion is an overseas territory of France. Madagascar in the West Port Louis is the capital and the largest city of Mauritius. This is where the new building of Supreme Court of Mauritius is located, which has been built with the help of India. Let's move on to the next news. Chernobyl power plant. Ukraine has informed the International Atomic Energy that all the connections to the Chernobyl power plant have been cut. Ukraine is not getting informations like radiation monitoring and ventilation systems. The Russian army had captured Chernobyl. It is worth nothing that Chernobyl is only 100 kilometers from the capital of Ukraine, Kyiv. Chernobyl is known as the world's most dangerous nuclear disaster. According to experts, this incident played a major role in the collapse of the Soviet Union. Let us now tell you that IAEA was formed in 1957. Its headquarters is in Vienna, Austria. Its main task is to ensure the peaceful use of nuclear energy in the world. This agency was formed as Atoms for Peace organization. It submits its reports to the Security Council and the United Nations General Assembly. Now please answer a simple question here. When did the world's most dangerous Chernobyl nuclear disaster happen? Write your answers in the comment section below. Now the last piece of news. National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development. RBI has announced that NaBFID will be governed by RBI Act 1934 as an all-India financial institution. It will be the 5th all-India financial institute after Exim Bank, NABARD, NHB and SIDBI. It is noteworthy that NaBFID was formed as a DFI, that is Development Financial Institution, to manage infrastructure finance. The National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development Act 2021 came into force on 19th April 2021.